If you don't know how to use AI or there's too many choices out there right now and you don't know which tool is for you, I'm going to answer both of those questions in this video. I'm going to show you the all-in-one tool that I use so you don't waste your money on multiple subscriptions. Most beginners don't know where to start with AI. It feels overwhelming. There's too many tools and there's brand new stuff coming out every single day. The truth is, AI is just a tool that follows instructions. If you can type, you can use AI. The better instructions you give it, the better the answer that you're going to receive back. So let's dive into Galaxy.ai, which is the tool that I use. And we're going to start with the chat feature, and we're going to choose Gemini for our model. Okay, here's our homepage of Galaxy AI. We're just going to click on All Tools. And the first one that should come up is Chat with AI. Okay, there we go. Open up the Chat with AI tool. And then it's going to let us choose which model we want to use. So by default, it's going to use OpenAI, ChatGPT. We want to try out Google's Gemini 3.1 Pro. Okay, and what are we going to try to do with AI? Let's try to find out how to start an Etsy store selling t-shirts. So I'm going to put in, tell me how to start a successful Etsy store that sells t-shirts. This is a very generic prompt. There's not a lot of details. It doesn't know what kind of t-shirts I'm going to sell. It doesn't know who I'm trying to sell them to, but we're just going to see what kind of response it gives us. So we're going to click on go. It's going to think for a minute and give us hopefully some step-by-step plans on how to start an Etsy business. Okay, so there we go. It gave us a step-by-step plan. Step 1, choose a niche. Step 2, set up your on-demand printer. Actually create your t-shirts and print the designs on them. How to create the shop. How to launch a marketing strategy. What kind of pricing you should be using. So it's pretty good, but we can do better. I'm going to show you the secret to getting better results. So we're going to go back to our all tools here, and we're going to find the tool called Prompt Enhancer. And you can just search for that in here. I'm just going to type in Enhance, Prompt Enhance. There we go. And there's a tool called AI Prompt Improver. We're going to click on that. It's going to ask us 3 questions. What's the original prompt we use? And that was, tell me how to start a successful Etsy store that sells t-shirts. What's our desired outcome? Our desired outcome is going to be, I want to create a successful Etsy store that sells t-shirts for moms with teenagers, and I want the store to be profitable within 90 days. Then what model are we going to use? We are using the Gemini AI model. Okay. And then we're just going to click generate a better prompt for that. Give it a second here. And there we go. It gave us a much better prompt. We're going to take all of this, go back to the other screen, and paste it in. Going back to chat with AI, make sure it's still on the Gemini model. It does remember your conversations on the left here. So you'll see it says starting a successful Etsy model. So it saved the answer from the first one. So it's going to save your conversation. It's going to learn from it. It's going to build on top of the results and hopefully give you a better answer in the future. But we're going to paste in all that stuff that we just got from the new prompt. We're going to paste it in, and it's going to give you a much more detailed result this way. It has a lot more idea of what you're actually trying to do. Okay, it says here's a comprehensive, actionable 90-day plan to launch your profitable print-on-demand Etsy store targeting mothers of teenagers. This plan leverages your existing skills in AI, graphic design, copywriting, and automation. So it's going to define your niche and your audience, your demographics, what their interests might be, what their pain points might be. They're probably going to like coffee and wine, it says. The pain points are probably going to feel exhausted, unappreciated. Sounds reasonable. And then, yeah, so it just gives you a lot more detailed. It's going to give you some design ideas for funny designs or maybe heartfelt designs. It's going to tell you how to market them. And at the very end, I like this here. It gives you a full 90-day timeline, week by week. So week 1, finalize your research, set up your Etsy and Printify accounts, buy your mock-ups of the designs. Week 2, design them. Week 3, create some SEO optimized descriptions. Week 4, launch your store, give out a 15% off sale, and then it goes through every week up until week 12. That's pretty neat. But this is just an example of what the AI can do. The easiest way to think about this AI is it's going to be like your assistant that you can talk to and have a conversation with. You're going to ask it a question, it's going to give you a result. Then you can ask it a question and refine your ideas even more until you finally get something that sounds like it's going to get you where you're trying to go. So the biggest mistake the beginners make is they're too vague with what they type in, like what I just showed you. So the more specific prompt you can give it or question you can give it, the better your result is going to be. So the key rule is be clear, be specific, and give it context. Now that you understand this, you can start using AI to create all kinds of things: ads, social media posts, business ideas, content, and more. If you want to try the same tool I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can test it yourself. If you want more step-by-step videos like this showing you exactly how to create real things using AI, make sure you subscribe below. I'll be posting new tutorials every week.